What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mac TheWiseSole, and I'm back with another new video. So your boy got exclusive access to the 50, the off-white dunks that came out over the past few weeks. Your boy was actually able to go ahead and secure a pair from the 50 set. I don't know which lot number this is going to be. I don't even know if I put it in the description yet or whatever. We're going to all find that out together. But hey, first and foremost, I'm happy I was able to get exclusive access. But before we even get into all that, you know I'm going to have to go ahead and take care of some housekeeping here. So first thing I'm going to need you guys to go ahead and do, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you're rocking with it. If not, you can go ahead and give the video a thumbs down as well. Those are my returning subscribers. If you've been here before and you still haven't hit that subscribe button, hey, what you waiting for, man? Go ahead and lock in, subscribe so you can go ahead and join the squad here. Don't forget, this channel is all about sneakers and sports. You know, we get into a little bit of movie talk as well. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter, which is down below in the description and on the screen at TheWiseSole. That's where I definitely get into all my sports talk, all my movie talk, TV show talk. We get into all that sneaker talk. If you want to go ahead and get down with your boy on that, go ahead and follow me. Again, it's in the description below and on the screen. So let's go ahead and unveil what lot number your boy got. Again, I don't know. I'm just happy they made it in because, you know, we've seen some pairs out here that are getting swiped by FedEx, and your boy got lucky. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't want to really get on FedEx right now because my package came. But now let's go ahead and get to the sneaker. So first and foremost, as you see right here, I got the Nike Just Steal Me box. You know, everybody knows the tape. Just Steal Me. Your boy was fortunate, you know, my FedEx people out here, you know, they rocked with me or whatever. My package wasn't tampered with, so I'm thankful for that, first and foremost, because I've seen a lot of stories. If you've been on Instagram, you follow me on Instagram, all the social media, YouTube videos out there, talking about how their packages came and weren't actually, you know, the shoes that they ordered. I actually did hit on the off-whites twice. So the first size was like a grade school size I hit on, and that one came in the smaller, you know, recycled box, which didn't have any tape on it. But you know, this is the grown man size right here, so you know, mine came with the Just Go Ahead and Steal Me, you know, tape on it. Thankfully, again, mine wasn't taken and tampered with, so, well, at least I hope not. I ain't actually opened the box yet, so we don't know. So let's find out what lot number your boy got. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and rip through this real quick. You know, that tape is kind of easy to peel off. That's another thing. The tape ain't even strong. Nike, come on, man, y'all gotta do better. But first and foremost, again, I don't know what lot this is. I'm pretty excited. I definitely see it's the right box, so there's that. Again, I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna throw that box down there. So as you see right here, your boy has his actual off-white dunks right here, size 12. This is my pair right here, size 12. So I see the color code is Sail Neutral Gray, you know, size 12. You know, I'll get that right there for your boy so y'all can see that. You know how I do it for y'all. Retail price $180 US. Again, it's here. Again, I don't know the lot number, but let's look at the box real quick. This is a dope box. I've seen other boxes and people unveiling their sneakers here. I actually really thought that was like duct tape right here. Like, I really thought they had put some duct tape on this, but it's actually just a box. Get a closer look like that. It's actually just part of the box. Again, this box is pretty dope. You have your Nike swoosh here. You have your off-white logo with the hands right here. You have the Swiss cheese holes here on the box. You know, that's how Off-White does it. But let's go ahead and open it up and find out which lot number your boy has. Hey, I'm pretty excited about this. Let's find out. So again, I'm opening this right here with you guys right here. Box, you see that right there. We have the Off-White branded paper right here, orange. All right, we got one layer. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna let you guys see it first. Let me make sure I get it up. Looks like there's another layer. So we're gonna go ahead and reveal that. Now let's go ahead and check out and see what lot number your boy got. All right, let's see. All right, it's definitely a leather pair. All right, let's see what we got right here. All right, well, I don't think I've seen this pair yet, but let me go ahead and put this down real quick so we can get a closer look. What lot number is this? This is lot number 8 of 50. So lot number 8 of 50, you guys can see it right there. Get the zoom in on that. Hopefully the camera hits it. And so first impressions, it's different. You got the burgundy zip tie right here. go along with the burgundy tongue. You know, you got that hole right there in the middle, Nike branding. You have it looks like it's like a dull green, you know, overlace on top of the regular laces. So it's like an overlay lace. So I personally haven't seen Lot 8 before in any videos or any of the friends I know out here in the sneaker world that's actually grabbed a pair or was actually able to hit on a pair of these. So this is the first time seeing this color. It's different, you know. It's kind of like I said, it's like a maroon type color. I don't know how I feel about it right now, but I ain't gonna complain because, you know, exclusive access, I'm gonna take it. Obviously, you have your Nike and Off-White branding right here, Beaverton, Oregon, all that's the information. So, yeah, man. All right, this is different. This is different. It's different. I'll say this. Everybody talks about not wanting a leather pair. I was hoping for suede personally, but you know, it is what it is. This toe box and this side panel right here, I heard people talking about not knowing the material. It definitely does feel like canvas. Some people said, you know, it looks like a canvas material. I'll say this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this down with some shoe protector, you know, some stain repellent, you know, branding, you know, whatever stain repellent company you use, rock with that, because you definitely don't want to get this canvas dirty. You don't want to spill anything on that because that definitely will stain. The color, it's different, man. Like this green color with the burgundy, it's different. I haven't seen this combination before, and you know, I'm gonna see. You know, we'll see what happens. You got the Nike on the tongue right there, gray outsole, sail midsole. I like that sail midsole a lot. Again, you have your the burgundy and kind of like a pink color right here, showing the lot number. As you can see on the zip tie, let me get that to focus. It says lot 8 of 50. You can barely see that. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up with the lighting. You know, you have the Off-White branding on that as well. You also have this other tag here on the sneaker. It gives a little sign that tells you made in Vietnam. You can see that right there. And as I mentioned a little earlier, you got the burgundy tongue right here with the hole in the middle. There you got that Nike branding. If I move the zip tie out the way, you can see the Nike branding right there on the tongue. You have your signature orange little flap right here for the Off-White. All in all, I think it's a pretty dope shoe. I mean, the concept of it, let's be honest, y'all. Everybody didn't keep the same energy. When Virgil and Off-White and Nike announced that they were dropping the 50, a lot of people out there talked about it. They all look trash. You know, nobody's gonna get this. Nobody wants to rock these. They all look trash. Nobody wants them. But then as soon as exclusive access started going out and people weren't getting access, oh, I don't get no love. Nike don't show me no love. Hey, everybody didn't keep the same energy. Now, again, people might have wanted this for trade bait, you know, for whatever reason. I don't know, but this might be trade bait for me. I might keep it. I really don't know yet. I'll say this. The sock liner, it's a leather sock liner. I just felt that right now. Sorry to change topics on you, and that actually feels pretty good. You look inside the sneaker, size 12. It's also burgundy, if you guys can see inside there as well. All in all, this is a nice shoe, man. I can't complain. The leather feels pretty good. It's not the greatest leather. I'll say this, it's definitely far better than the leather they put on the regular dunks that they've been releasing, you know, over the last couple years. It's definitely superior to that. So wow, you know, lot 8, huh? That's what your boy got. And here's the second sneaker, as you see right here, having both of them, both lot number 8 right there for your boy. Hey, you know, but all in all, you know, not bad. Pretty dope sneaker. Again, the color, it has burgundy in it, burgundy green. I'm gonna say it's a burgundy and green color. It's almost like an olive type green, you know, if I could describe it in any kind of way. That's what I would describe the green as. I would definitely describe this as an olive green. Let me know in your comments below, what do you think of the color lot 8 that I got? Is it fire? Is it something to keep? Is it something to use as trade bait? Or should these be, you know, on the way out of here? I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. Again, a dope pair. The concept of it, all in all, I'm not mad at. Giving it out on exclusive access, you know, it was what it was. Luckily, you know, my account hit. Again, I'm thankful for that. So you're not gonna hear me bash your sneakers out for a while because, you know, I I got exclusive access, so I ain't really gonna be mad right now. So I know everybody was hoping to get either lot 1 or lot 50, you know, as those were the only 2 lot numbers that were completely different as far as look and color of the whole 50 series. But again, you know, like I said, I haven't really seen a lot of lot 8s. It is what it is. We'll see if I keep it or not. You're probably thinking, Mac, you're not really feeling them. We can see it in your face. I ain't gonna say that, because you know, they might grow on your boy. I don't know yet. I'll let you know. But if I had to give these a score on the Mac TheWiseSole rating scale, I'd give the Off-White Dunks lot number 8. I'd give it a 4 out of 7. Meaning, hey, it's a cool shoe. If you can cop it, definitely cop it. Is it a must-have? Not necessarily. But it's a dope concept. And as of right now, they're going to go ahead and stay down here in the fort with your boy. So, for lot 8 of the 50, you have your boy Mac TheWiseSole. Remember, stay hungry, stay humble, stay wise. Gang.